OpenAI just dropped a super tool called AgentKit. ChatGPT now lets you make playlists and maps right inside your chats. And Taylor Swift is in hot water with fans over AI in her new music videos. You won't believe this day in AI. I can't even believe it. Hey there, AI explorers. Welcome to Kitty AI Daily, your go-to source for all the latest and greatest in artificial intelligence news. I'm your host, Kitty, and I am absolutely buzzing with excitement about today's stories. I don't think you're ready for this, Jelly. Are you? I sure hope so. All right, fine. Let's get into it. First up, OpenAI just announced something absolutely incredible at their Dev Day 2025. It's called AgentKit. And let me tell you, this is going to change everything for developers building AI agents. Imagine trying to build something with tools scattered all over your workshop. That's what developers have been dealing with when creating AI agents. But AgentKit? It's like someone organized that entire workshop into one perfectly organized toolbox. AgentKit is a comprehensive toolkit for building, deploying, and optimizing AI agents all in one place. The best part? It consolidates all those fragmented tools that developers previously had to stitch together into a single production-grade platform. How amazing is that? Sam Altman himself emphasized that this is directly responding to developer feedback about how complex and messy the current agent-building landscape has become. With AgentKit, developers can now go from idea to agent faster and easier than ever before. So what's actually in this magical toolkit? Well, it includes an agent SDK, that's software development kit for my non-developer friends, an agent builder with both visual and programmatic interfaces, a connector registry for integrating external data sources and APIs, something called ChatKit, specifically for building chat-based interfaces, and evaluation tools for testing and optimizing agent performance. But here's where it gets really exciting. During the Dev Day demo, they showed how quickly you can build a live chat app for an event website using AgentKit. We're talking about going from concept to deployment in what seems like record time. Well, even if you're not a developer, this is going to lead to better, more reliable AI applications and services in your everyday life. Think more sophisticated AI assistants, more efficient customer service bots, and maybe even AI agents that can handle complex tasks for you automatically. This is OpenAI's big move to become not just a research lab or chatbot provider, but a full-blown developer ecosystem that could power the next generation of AI applications we all use. Now let's talk about something you can actually start using today if you're outside the EU. OpenAI just launched interactive apps right inside ChatGPT, and this is absolutely incredible. Picture this. You're chatting with ChatGPT and you say, "Hey Spotify, make me a 2-hour house party playlist." And boom, ChatGPT works with Spotify to create that playlist for you right there in your conversation. How cool is that? These new ChatGPT apps let you interact with services like Spotify for music, Zillow for real estate listings, and Canva for presentations, all without ever leaving your chat. The apps display interactive cards and will prompt you to connect your accounts the first time you use them. Don't worry, it's all secure using something called OAuth authentication, which is just a fancy way of saying your login information stays safe. So how does this work exactly? These apps are powered by what OpenAI calls actions, which lets ChatGPT call external services with your permission. You can access these apps on both web and mobile platforms. Just find the app in your conversation, connect your account if needed, and start running tasks directly in the chat interface. Now, I know what you're thinking. Kitty, this sounds amazing. Can I use it? Well, if you're a non-EU user with a ChatGPT account, you're in luck. This feature is available as of October 2025. Some apps might require you to have an account with the partner service, like a Spotify account for music playlists, and availability might depend on your workspace policies or regional restrictions. ChatGPT is becoming a central hub for pretty much everything you do online. Instead of jumping between different apps and websites, you can just have a conversation and get things done. Need to find a house? Chat with Zillow through ChatGPT. Need to make a presentation? Canva's got your back through ChatGPT. Want to discover new music? Spotify's waiting for you in ChatGPT. This is a major step toward making AI assistants truly useful in our everyday lives. No more just answering questions. Now ChatGPT can actually do things for you across multiple services. And with the app's SDK that OpenAI released, we're going to see even more developers creating their own integrations, which means ChatGPT is only going to get more powerful and useful over time. Okay, story time. Let's talk about something that's got the internet buzzing, Taylor Swift and some serious AI drama. So Taylor Swift recently launched this super cool promotional campaign for her new album, The Life of a Showgirl. It was a Google-led scavenger hunt where fans had to search for clues online and in real-world locations. They found these orange doors placed in major cities, scanned QR codes, and unlocked 12 short videos. Pretty creative, right? But here's where it gets controversial. Fans started watching these videos and noticed something off. They saw morphing text, blurred transitions, and merging objects. All things that scream generative AI to people who know what to look for. And let me tell you, Swifties are not happy about it. Many fans are accusing Taylor of using AI to create these secret videos, with some speculating that Google's own AI video platform, VO3, was used. Now, neither Taylor's team nor Google has confirmed this, but fans who have experience with AI video tools are pointing out artifacts and effects that suggest at least some AI involvement. The fan reaction has been intense, to say the least. There's a lot of confusion and disappointment, with some fans feeling like this contradicts Taylor's reputation for authenticity and artistic control. I've been seeing comments like, "You spent 5 years reclaiming your art? Now this?" Ouch, right? What makes this extra interesting is Taylor's history with AI. She's been pretty vocal about criticizing AI misuse in the past. Back in 2024, she condemned an AI-generated image that falsely depicted her supporting Donald Trump's campaign, calling the technology dangerous for spreading misinformation. She was also a victim of those deepfake AI images that went around, which led her team to actually seek help from the FBI. So far, neither Taylor's camp nor Google has issued any statements addressing these AI allegations. The silence is pretty deafening, if you ask me. This controversy really highlights the bigger debate happening in creative industries about AI's role. On one side, people are worried about artistic authenticity and whether AI threatens the integrity of creative work. On the other side, some see AI as just another tool for innovation and expression. This also shows us that fans are becoming more and more sophisticated at spotting AI-generated content. They've basically turned into detectives, analyzing these videos frame by frame for signs of synthetic generation. And with AI tools getting better and better, this is something we're all going to have to get better at, distinguishing between human-created and AI-assisted content. Wow, what a day in AI news. I want to hear from you. What do you think about these stories? Are you excited to try out the new ChatGPT apps? Do you think Taylor used AI in those videos? And developers, what are your thoughts on AgentKit? Drop your comments below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Kitty AI Daily so you never miss an update. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know exactly when we drop new content. We try to be as punctual as possible, but technical difficulties do happen. We're in the age of AI, but it's not perfect. Teehee. Tomorrow we'll have even more breaking AI news, so make sure to tune in. Until then, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep exploring the amazing world of AI with me, Kitty. Meow, meow, meow. Peace out.